Now, if anybody watched my last video about the squirrels mating and thought I lost my mind, well, I kinda did, but I found it. Now, if anybody knows me, they know I am the cheapest man alive. And I was looking for a frame slider for my CB300F, and I found it at a pretty good price. And I looked at some other ones that were much, much better looking, but, well, they're about 2 or 3 times more expensive, and that won't do. This one's supposed to fit my bike exactly, so that was perfect. Now, they say no cut, but really it doesn't matter. It's a naked bike, so there is no really body work to cut through anyway. It says there's instructions. Go to krtune.com. I couldn't really find any great instructions. I did find another video online that showed it, but anyway, it does make sense where you end up putting it. The tools required are an 14mm socket, 8mm Allen key, again nice long beefy one, and I use this pipe as a leverage bar. Insert the bolt and the washer. And I like to make sure that I go counterclockwise first to make sure you don't cross thread while you put it in. Then I use this conduit to act as a leverage bar to help really tighten that up nice and tight. What's the torque spec? Don't know. Tight. And there it is. It's that easy to put it in. All you need are just some simple hand tools, and that leverage bar is quite handy to make sure it's nice and snug. So why did I get these frame sliders in the first place? Well, just to prevent any engine damage, bodywork damage in case of a low side. Fingers crossed that that doesn't happen. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.